Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. So I'm going to install some skins on this CDJ 850. It's my first time, so let me try and see how they look. So they come packaged like this. So if you need a plug for DJ skins for your control, your CDJ, just write in the comment section need a plug, or you can send to my DM and I'll connect you. So I haven't opened them. Let me check how they look like, then I'll show you. So that's how they look like. This one is for the mixer, the S9 mixer, DGM S9. So I like color black and a bit of, it's not white, it's gray, light gray. The other one is for the CDJ, the same colors. They have my logo, my DJ name, the antidote. It's for the CDJ 850. So guys, the first step to do is to wipe your CDJs with a clean towel. Then you remove the knobs. For the CDJs, you're going to remove this one and this one. So the main reason of putting skins is to protect it from wear and tear, because you'll be touching the joggle most of the time, the button. So to prevent it from getting worn out, you put a skin, and also for aesthetics, to make it look good. So the first step, remove this one. So gently pull it out like that. Then this one you remove with a spoon. So just take a spoon and apply like this. It comes off. So the next step is to now to apply this one. So I'll start with this one, this part here. Then I'll come with the CDJ. So let's do it. So if you are new here, consider liking the video. You can also follow me. You can also subscribe. So I'll just apply it like this. So the next step is to try and place it accurately. So you use this button here to try and match it correct. So that part was a bit hectic, and I thought it would be the simplest one. So the next part, let's do this part. So it comes as a whole, this one and this one. So I won't remove it all. I'll just start on this side. It's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. So I first use these buttons here to turn it. The other parts are not difficult. Now you're going to remove the Q button, this one. Don't know if it's aligned well. It's on the side, and you adjust it. Then the play button. Then let's put this, the fader. So it starts from the bottom. This is the hardest part. So you do it last. Then is for the side, the antidote. That's better. Yeah, let's do it on this side. That's much better. So the last part, the most difficult, the circular one. Actually, it's not the last one. We have this one for up here. Just with the jog wheel. This one is tough because you have a circle in the middle. That's good. The main purpose is to prevent the wear and tear. Doesn't have to be so perfect. So the last part is this one, DJ KELDEN, for this part. We try to position it facing like this. This is stable enough. It is stable to stand on its own. That's it for the CDJ. This is a tough job. To look easy, but it was a bit challenging. So that's how it looks. Now I'm going to put back the knobs. Now you're done for the CDJ. You go to the mixer now.